So dear friends, let's hear it from Dr. Gogi Ramanna. He's somebody who not only aspired or desired, but he also achieved. Hi Dr. Ramanna, this is Sangeeta here. Pleasure talking to you. Well, that smile says it all. I need to know what rank have you got?
I got category rank 9th in AIMS, and I'm doing medicine.
And is that you always wanted to do medicine?
Yeah, I always wanted to do medicine.
So that was like a dream for you?
Exactly.
And what made you choose IMS as your success partner for your dream?
Actually, I didn't thought of IMS or any other institute before I finished my internship. But in the middle of the internship, I started thinking I should do MD medicine in a good institute. So then with my friends and all, I came to know about IMS and my seniors. So they said one thing about IMS, to be precise, is you have the maximum number of sessions for each subject.
Okay.
And the coaching sessions you have, and the faculty members also. You have 3-day program in IMS. The institute have that kind of pattern.
What batch had you joined?
I joined in EV3 batch last April, 2011 April. So, and then I came to know as I joined in IMS, you have more focused coaching there, and each subject analysis is there, and the faculty members, they're in constant touch with you.
So they are personally there with you, guiding you through all the time.
Exactly.
They are taking that personal attention and care about you.
Exactly.
Was there any confusion while you were choosing on, to your institute, like, when we say, should I get here, should I go there? Was there any kind of confusion, or it was very clear that no, I have to get to IMS?
No, once I decided I'm going to join at least one coaching institute, the first
name that
IMS.
was IMS. That's fantastic. Well, like you just said, the faculty members are outstanding. They personally take care of you. They're always there, with every student, answering your queries, solving your problems. How about the study material? How focused it is, and how how well designed and compiled it is?
So coming to the IMS material, it's very good. It's taken from the standard textbooks. And
so the best is picked up.
Yeah, best is picked up and given to you in a compromised and in a precise manner. What you should read from the, if you go through the textbook, what you should read, and that will be taken out from that book, and you'll get get it through IMS material.
So everything is being narrowed down.
And what you want to do for the PG entrance.
So do you think it's enough to just refer to or certain subjects, or is it enough to only refer to IMS, or?
I would say for certain subjects,
which are
like anesthesia. It's very good. We go through anesthesia and obstetrics especially. And I would say I'm from Andhra Pradesh, so in the state PG they got all the questions from IMS material.
Okay, state PG. Okay.
So it should go through the obstetrics material. It's very good.
So that is how beautifully it is referred to the actual exam, the state PGs which happen.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. And how about the FTS? Did you take that, and was it really helpful for you to assess yourself?
Definitely helpful, but the thing is about too many mistakes in the answer key about the FTS. I would suggest to the IMS, one thing is try to make the corrections before you release out the key.
Okay, there are mistakes is what you're saying. Okay.
Yeah, when FTS corrections should be made before the you're giving out the key to the student.
We'll surely take that when I'm asking you about the weaknesses that you can highlight. But in terms of how does it really help you to, does it really help you to average yourself, to evaluate yourself?
Yes. So every month at the end of the last Sunday we used to have the test, and that is very helpful. In fact, and you should it will help you to where you are standing, and how much you have to study for the exam, and all that will be helpful through the FTS.
Okay, and like you said, rank 9 on the AIMS. How many questions did you attempt?
I thought I attended around 180 questions.
180. Do you think 180 is enough, or?
I should suggest it's more than 180. 185 to 190 is
185, 190 is a right figure to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you taken any other exams?
I took PGI. I got general medicine there in category 5th rank there.
5th rank. Oh, fantastic.
So I chose AIMS.
You chose AIMS. And you were talking about a certain weakness about IMS of the FTS. You can just, kind of elaborate that for us.
No, make sure that the key mistakes are not there when you're releasing the FTS, because that will be printed in the minds,
Okay.
You're reading that question and you'll be answering, so you'll see that there is an answer for that question, but in fact, it might be wrong. It happens in a few questions, but not every question, but that should be cut down, because even that single question happens to be a parent,
Could leave a wrong impression to your mind.
wrong
Correct.
impression
Correct.
that would carry on.
Correct.
So that
Correct.
shouldn't happen.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And
So that has to be taken care
that
of.
should be taken care.
And what are
apart
the
from that,
strengths
it's
of IMS?
very excellent. It's
And
very
how
excellent.
about the strengths? In particular, what do you really like about being here at IMS, during your study course?
At IMS, you have the minimum number of students per class, like 40 members. No other institute will get you 40 members for each class. It's the best thing about IMS, I would say. Because of that, you will have more interactions with the teacher.
And more attention.
More attention, and you will be focused directly. Otherwise, if you are sitting in a 1,000 member or a 2,000 member
you
gallery
have
also,
those many.
sometimes in some institutes, they have 1,000 member students at a time, and that will
So
not happen.
limited students, what really makes it more
Definitely,
better.
definitely.
And what is the strategy that you've adopted while you did your aims? Is there a particular strategy, like a day or two before the exams? What should we actually do?
Actually, in the last week, you don't go through any new things, but just go through the material what you have read already, and just focus on the questions where you have gone wrong in initial question, answering.
So that repetitive mistakes which are bound to happen again and again.
You need to focus on those questions.
On it. Your message for all our students who are here at IMS?
From my side, just be focused and faith in yourself and be honest and work hard.
Thank you, Dr. Ramana. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best with your future endeavors.
Thank
I
you.
hope that you'll be a great doctor.
Thank you.